What's up, everyone? I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to turn off your active status on Instagram. By default, the accounts you follow and send messages to on Instagram can see your activity status. Thankfully, if you don't like the idea of people being able to see when you're online on the social media platform, Instagram makes it easy to turn off your active status. However, the only caveat is that when you do this, you'll also no longer be able to see the activity status of any other accounts on Instagram. Now let's walk through the steps to turn off your active status on Instagram. Step 1. Launch the Instagram app on your iPhone, iPad, or Android device. You'll land on your Instagram home screen. Step 2. Tap your Instagram profile picture in the menu at the bottom of the screen. You'll land on your Instagram profile screen. Step 3. Tap the menu icon at the top of the screen to open a menu, and then tap Settings in this menu. The Instagram settings screen is displayed. Step 4. Tap Privacy on this screen. The privacy screen is shown. Step 5. Tap Activity Status on this screen. You'll land on the Activity Status screen. Step 6. Tap to turn off the toggle associated with Show Activity Status. Going forward, accounts you follow and anyone you message through Instagram will no longer be able to see when you were last active on Instagram. As a reminder, when you do this, you'll also no longer be able to see the activity status of any other accounts on the platform. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.